Hello everybody! Welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art!
Okay, everybody. Welcome to a new video. We're gonna try out a GELS stamping kit. Okay. And this gorgeous box, it got to me. Oh my god, it's a unicorn. Here on the side, you can see the price where you can get it on Amazon. You better gonna get it, girl. No. We don't gonna spill the tea because you need to watch my video, right? So, this is what it came with. 2 bottles with skin protector, a white and a pink. Don't ask me what is the difference. I think it's only the color. You receive 2 freaking stampers with a scraper. Say what? And you receive 8 different colors in this collection. Okay. So like you can see, the first one, I think I was showing green. I don't know. This is golden. Let's see what's next. I think this, yes, yellow mellow. Next one up is rosa pink. And we're gonna try them all, guys, okay? Then we have black. Next one up is royal blue. Ooh. The next one up is a pure white. The next one up is red, the color of my love for you. Okay, let's take a closer look at the stamping plate. I also placed a little picture that I found with the product so you can see them on a white background. You know, it's a little bit easier to see. I think we will see. So you have a little bit of everything, some Christmas, some Halloween, some Valentine, and a random one. Oh my gosh, I love that skull in the corner. I just love it. Oh, yeah, big thumbs up already. So let me go briefly over the little pamphlet that is included, and let me tell you guys, a lot of tips, a lot of tricks, and a lot of information. Let me tell you, I was really scared and skeptic to begin on this try video because I already have the Born Pretty stamping gels, and let me tell you, I am not getting those to work. So yeah, I was pretty skeptic. I started this with a really scared heart, but yeah, there we go with the red, baby. There we go with the red. Let me tell you, yeah, you're gonna see what's gonna happen next. So I'm gonna use the scraper out of the set. Really skeptic about this little scraper. Like you can see, it's like a hard thick piece of plastic. But girl, do you see that? Do I need to even say more? That thing is scraping away. Just the way it's supposed to scrape. Okay, this one I messed up. Okay, that's my fault. Like you can see, I went straight down and then I wiggled a little bit. But hey, look at that. Not bad, right? Yeah, for me making an arrow. So yeah, like you have seen, I also put the red over the strawberries. So, and let me tell you, that one came out just perfect. Oh my god, you can see every little seed in there. Look how sharp the lines are. Yes, baby, I had a good feeling for this gels. Ooh, first gel and already a winner. Say what? Okay, we're gonna cure that for 1 minute, just like you always do. And I'm gonna be a little goofball, yeah, using pink, neon pink from Shimolon over red. Yeah, where was I with my mind? You're gonna see it a little bit, but yeah. I just wanna see if it was working, you know, because that's the point of me buying stamping gels. I wanna use my pigment, I wanna use my small glitters over them. That's the point of me buying those gels, okay? So I also top coated it with the ID to peel it off later, so you can maybe use it as a little sticker. Can we peel it off? I still have no clue. I know I tried it, but it was not working, so maybe I messed up my little nail mat. We will see. Okay, we're gonna cure that again for 60 seconds, and we're gonna take a look at the black. There we go, just a little thin line, and you can see the consistency, right? It's nice and thick. Okay, so I used a Shimodern mixing canvas. Just I wanted to try out some different scraping cards, and oh my gosh, look at this one. Say what? Look at that black. That black is totally black, man. Yes, that's black gel for sure. Oh my goodness. I hope you can see it, but yeah, nothing skipped on me. Everything is nice and filled in what need to be filled in. So yeah, I am removing the sides of the nail just to make it a little bit cleaner, you know. But look at that stamp. Say what? Oh, so cure it again for 60 seconds. And now, okay, I took out the wrong one, okay? I was trying to take out a pigment. I take out flakies instead. But hey, it worked, okay? It even works with flakies. Say what? And let me tell you, that chameleon flaky, it's gorgeous. Don't ask me where I get it from, because yeah, I have it already for such a long time. I have no idea, okay? I wish I was able to help you, but I know there are a lot of brands that having those chameleon flakies, so I'm sure you can find some of them. Okay, so going over with my Umik and no wipe at top. Look at that. Ah, that brings the chameleon to life. Cure it for 60 seconds and there you go. Okay, so yeah, okay, I played enough on my mat. So let's see how the gel is doing it on a nail with a curve, right? So these are the Yumi colors that I prepared my nails with, the black and number 044. I put over my Umik matte top coat, and there we go, starting off with the gold. And look how beautiful that gold is. So I went back to the scraping card that came with the set, and let me tell you, that scraper, it's scraping, girl. It's scraping. Oh, look at that pickup. Say what? Say what? Wow. Look at that. No issues, no problems. The pickup is great. Transformation is great. What else do you expect for gels, right? Okay, now take a closer look at this. Why? Because, wow, this pickup. Bye-bye. I'm not gonna say you if I was happy or not. Yeah, I wanted you to see. Look at that. Say what? That's perfect, right? Oh my freaking Lord. Look at that. That's a stamp right there, baby. Yes. Oh my gosh, you have no idea how happy I am. Whoop, whoop. I am so happy. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we're rolling over the nail. We're rolling over the nail. And of course, we're gonna play again with some of my neon shimmering pigments. Right there, you have them. Beautiful, gorgeous, like you see. I just took a little bit. You don't need a lot from shimmering, just a tiny bit. And yeah, let's see if it is working. I'm really curious. Not really, because I already know if it's gonna work or not, but hey, for the video, I am really curious, okay? Curious together with you. Oh my gosh, look at that gorgeous blend with the blue and the yellow. Do you see that green? Gorgeous! Okay, a little bit of green, a little bit of pink, a little bit of everything. Just gonna smush it on there. I know one corner, the left upper corner, it's not, yeah, because I did it over the nude, it's not coming out that great. But girl, it's working! That shit is working, okay? Look at that! Say what? Oh, you have no idea how happy I am. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, so now let's go to the bottom one. We're gonna play again with all the colors that I still have left on my little canvas. Yeah, and just pushing them on there. That's all that you need to do. Don't be scared to smudging it, because that gel is cured, okay? That gel is cured. You cannot smudge anything out. So dab the colors on. Wipe, and give that mother a nice top coat, okay? We're gonna bring that black back to life, okay? Yeah, I must say, I just stumbled on that set, basically. Remember, the 2121 was Prime Days on Amazon. So I was buying my Umik, like you already are able to see on my Instagram. And let me tell you, girl, this set was popping on my screen. And something in me was telling me, girl, you need to try it. You just need to give it a chance. Because I see so many ladies struggling to find a stamping gel that's working, you know what I mean? Oh, look at that. That's, by the way, that's the first time ever me trying a dual colored stamping, okay? And I did it with gel. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna ruin it for you. You need to see it for yourself, but yeah. Okay, so what I was saying, I stumbled on there on the Prime sale days, and oh my gosh, I am so happy that I stumbled on this kit. Definitely a big recommend for me. Yeah, I'm gonna spill the tea already because look at that pickup. Come on now. Come on now. Are you, come on. Look at that stamp. Say what? Look at that rose. Green leaves with a pink flower and one stamp. What? Okay, let's go to the royal blue because I know I have a lot of blue lovers. And let me tell you, that blue is a gorgeous. And by the way, are you noticing how vibrant every single color is on the nail? Look at that blue. Oh my lordy. Look at that blue. Okay, let's take a closer look at the yellow because yeah, yellow sometimes that's also like a difficult color, but yeah, I'm not gonna spell the T. You're gonna see it for yourself. Like you can see, beautiful pickup and BAM! Roll it on the nail, sister. Roll it on. Say what? Look at the yellow. Ah. Okay, so yeah, for me, 2 thumbs up. Really, really amazing, huge, big sassy. I really, really recommend it to everybody. Look at the beautiful packaging that it came with. Don't forget, guys, you are receiving 4 stamping plates. You're receiving 2 stampers with scrapers. You receive 8 colors. And that's it, I think. Yeah. No, that's not it. And you receive 2 skin protectors. That's what it is. A pink and a white one. Oh my gosh, yeah, a huge recommending for me. And guys, just keep in mind, I just did this video for you. I did all those designs. I am not a stamping girl, okay? Not at all. I am always struggling with stamping, but hey, you see it for yourself, right? Okay, so let me know what you think about this kit. I'm really curious for your reaction. I'm gonna leave you guys. I hope to see you next time. Geef deze beker een bro. Rawr. And stay sassy. Bye bye, everybody. I love you all. Mwah! Oh, and don't forget to listen to my little sassy doll at the end, okay? She always have a nice message for you.
Did you already subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to do it if you like the video. And also don't forget to bump the little thumbs up, okay?